I was so excited to greet you and came out excited to say good evening to you, and that's the response. Good evening, everybody.
Amen.
Come on, sound like you're happy. You are here by a very extra special appointment. Hello?
That's right.
You are here because of an extra special invitation.
Yes.
You are here for something extra special. We are here at the grand launch, the start of the Preparing for Christ Coming Evangelistic Series.
Amen.
I know you're probably confused. No, that's not my picture. And no, I am not Paul C. Stevens. I am not the evangelist, but I'm here to encourage you to be here every single night. When? How often? Every single night. Now, you have never experienced an evangelistic series like this one. You will never experience another evangelistic series like this one. You are here for this one at a special time for a special purpose.
Amen.
Every evening I'm expecting to see you here, with the exception of Thursday night. Because what? Thursday is going to be our rest night. And when you see me come in this spot, it means that I'm going to be telling you what's happening, what are the topics, what you missed, what you're going to look forward to, and I'm going to be sharing some gifts and prizes. So all of our visiting friends and guests, those of you who received that invitation and you accepted it, stand to your feet right now, please.
Amen.
You've come from far and near, you've got a special invitation, and you accepted it. Thank you very much for coming. I have a little gift for you. Ushers, please make sure every single one of our guests receive one of these this evening. And I have another extra special gift for somebody else, but I'm going to tell you who is that person just a moment from now. Come on, put your hands together for all our visiting friends.
Amen.
We are going to be having an absolutely wonderful and fantastic time here. Make sure there should be enough for everybody to get right. There we go. Each of our visiting guests got one? They all got? One more in the back there? Lovely. I'll make sure to sort them out.
One more.
Send him to the stash for the other. Revive us again. Revive us again. It's on the side. Yes, revive us again. Lovely. Good. Ushers, please collect that, please. Make sure our friend in there. That's one more, right? Come on. One last person. Another one too? Yes, please. Messenger of hope, please. Another messenger of hope. While my assistants in the back are getting those, here's another gift I want to give to you. But I'm not giving that gift yet. Let me tell you about what's happening this week. Some really exciting topics are going to be discussed this week, and I have a very limited time. This evening we're going to be looking at total surrender. How much surrender? Total surrender. You've got to listen up for these. You've got to listen up for these topics. Tomorrow evening is growing up. Tomorrow evening is what?
Growing up.
No, you don't sound like you understand what I'm saying. Are you hearing me clearly? Are you hearing me clearly?
Yes.
Growing up. That's tomorrow night, Monday night. Tuesday night's topic. Who can tell me that? Who can guess?
Not coming.
Well, you should know it. Anybody knows?
Nobody know?
Tuesday night's topic is second time around. Second time around is happening on Tuesday night. Wednesday night, the topic is one word. Signs. As soon as we leave the church here, we see a signboard, signs. So that's your cue. Wednesday night is signs. What's the topic for Thursday night?
No meeting.
No meeting on Thursday night. Thursday night we stay home, we rest, study the text that the preacher would tell us, and we prepare for Friday evening when we come for what topic? The deaf man. Did you get that?
Yeah.
The deaf man. D-E-A-T-H. I wanted to hear Friday evening to hear about this deaf man. Now we hear about deaf people. We hear about men, women, boys and girls, but the deaf man, we have got to be here for that topic. So the topics again for this week, tonight, total surrender. Monday night, that's tomorrow night, growing up. Tuesday night, the second time around. Wednesday, signs. Thursday, no meeting, rest night. And Friday night, the deaf man. We are here at the Preparing for Christ Coming Evangelistic Series. Every evening, there will be prizes and surprises. You might just be sitting in a special seat, You might just come at the right time, early, so I might be giving a prize for the first person who comes here. I might be giving a prize for the person who comes from the farthest distance. I might be giving a prize for someone who's wearing that special color. But in order to get these prizes, you must be here. And I want to challenge you. I want to challenge every single one of you to be here every night. Do not miss a session, because I promise you I have a gift for the person who is the most consistent. Are we together? Yes. You don't seem excited.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Amen.
If you are excited, just wave your hand at me, please. If you're excited. And don't keep the excitement to yourself. Tomorrow evening when you come, bring someone with you. Is that okay? Amen. Don't come alone, because these things are so exciting that you cannot afford to keep them to yourself. We are here at the Preparing for Christ's Coming Evangelistic Series. I have a lovely book here called 13 Life-Changing Secrets by Mark Finley. I have personally read this book, and it is phenomenal. And I want to give it to someone tonight. I want to give it to someone tonight. One of our guests would have celebrated a birthday today. Correct? Nobody who's a guest here who got a special invitation and came celebrated their birthday today? No? An anniversary? Tomorrow? Today? Yesterday? Friday? No? I really want to give someone this book, you know. Tomorrow evening, I'll give it to someone who's celebrating birthday tomorrow. So if you know someone who's celebrating birthday tomorrow, bring them tomorrow. This book will be theirs. What did I say tomorrow? Birthday person, celebrate, will get this book. At the front, you will see a box marked questions. Please show them the question box. One of the ushers, please. One of the ushers, please get the question mark box for me, please. And just show our guests, everyone. Night after night, as the messages are presented, you will have questions that you want to ask. Just write them on a slip of paper, and you look for this question box at the front, and you drop it in. And we will be answering your questions as we go along from night to night. Once again, I want to welcome every single one of you to the Preparing for Christ's Coming Evangelistic Series. We are bound to have a tremendously exciting, uplifting, and rejuvenating experience here night after night, and I challenge you to be here, not to miss a single evening.